I used to think I was just undisciplined, lazy, weak, unmotivated, but I was wrong, so wrong. Because the truth is, the secret to real discipline, it's so stupidly small. You're probably doing it already and ignoring it. And once I realized it, everything changed. Let me paint you a picture. Every Monday, I'd wake up and tell myself, this is it, new week, clean slate, time to crush it. I'd write out the perfect routine. 5 a.m. workouts, cold showers, deep work sessions, strict diet, no distractions, no excuses. By Wednesday, I was back in bed, scrolling TikTok, eating junk, and hating myself again. And I thought, what is wrong with me? Why couldn't I stick to anything? Here's the part nobody tells you. Discipline isn't built by crushing goals. It's built by keeping promises, tiny ones. And here's what finally broke the cycle. I made one rule. Not 10, not a whole plan, just one tiny rule. Every morning, before I check my phone, I drink a glass of water. That's it. No matter what. Even if I wake up late, even if I feel like trash, even if the whole day's a mess, that water comes first. Sounds like nothing, right? But that small act and that one non-negotiable became the first brick in a foundation of discipline. Because when you keep one tiny promise to yourself, you prove something bigger. I can trust me. And that's where it starts. Not with motivation, not with hustle, with trust. Discipline isn't a personality trait. It's a relationship between you and your future self. And every time you follow through, no matter how small, you build that relationship. Want to know the real reason most people quit? It's not because they're weak. It's because they set goals too big and break promises too often. Your brain stops believing you. So stop trying to go hard. Start going small. If you've been stuck, if you've been starting over again and again, I want you to try this. Pick one ridiculously small habit, something so easy you'd feel silly skipping it. Maybe it's one push-up, one page, one breath. Then do it every single day, no exceptions, and watch what happens. Because discipline, it's not about doing more. It's about doing less, but doing it without fail. That's the secret. That's the unlock. You don't need a new life. You need a new pattern. And it starts with something so small you'll laugh at it, but later you'll thank yourself for it. If you needed a sign to stop breaking promises to yourself, this is it.